Hello everyone! In this video we will be comparing the densities of sand and cotton balls. Now in order to do this, we're going to test their density using two identical containers. You can see that both of these containers are exactly the same. The only difference is what's inside. So if we take a closer look, I can open this container. Oh, and it got everywhere. We can see that this container, I'm scared to dip it over because I don't want sand everywhere, but it is filled with sand to the brim. I tried to pour as much sand as I could in here. In our container on our right, it is packed to the brim with cotton balls, and you can see these in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put both of these containers inside a container filled with water, and we're going to see whose density is greater or less depending on how they relate to water. So let's test the relative density of both of these objects. Again, we have sand and a box of cotton balls. So I will be lowering the camera, and here is our vessel. Now, let's start comparing. Again, remember, if something is more dense, it will most definitely sink. And if it is less dense, it will always float. Now, when I place these containers inside the vessel, I want you to observe where the objects go. All right, are you ready? Let's place them in 3, 2, and 1. As you can see, one of the containers floats and one of the containers sinks. We can also see that the container is being refracted because I see my container looking different. So what I want you to do now is in your notes, I want you to take note of what this looks like. Make sure to draw a picture and label each container. On this side, we have the sand. On this side, we have the cotton balls. Now make sure to answer what you think is more dense and less dense. Don't forget to include why. And that is all I have for you in this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.